tips for job seekers in the logistics industry. For those looking to break into the logistics industry, the following tips can help guide your career. Get appropriate education. While a degree in logistics or supply chain management is beneficial, some roles may require specialized degrees in business, engineering, or operations. Acquire experience. Internships and entry-level positions provide valuable hands-on experience and can be a stepping stone to higher-level roles. Network. Building a professional network can open doors to job opportunities and provide mentorship and guidance as you advance. Transitioning into a career in supply chain. It is natural for individuals to desire changes to their jobs during their careers. It may result primarily from personal growth, gaining interest, or wanting new challenges. The supply chain is highly dynamic. It makes it very interesting for many people. So, how can you jump into a career in supply chain? Gain relevant experience. Identify gaps in your experience and seek opportunities to fill them. Consider volunteering for projects or internships to build relevant skills. Educate yourself. Take courses or pursue supply chain management, logistics, or operations certifications. Network. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with individuals already in the supply chain field to gain insights and make valuable connections. Leverage transferable skills. Highlight transferable skills from your previous job experiences that can be applied to a career in the supply chain, such as problem solving, project management, and data analysis. Discover the intricacies of supply chain management by exploring our previous video.